Your Mac Mini might connect to Wi-Fi, but if problems keep happening, resetting the Wi-Fi settings can clear out hidden issues. Many users don't realize that this simple step can solve connection problems instantly. The good news is that it only takes a moment to reset Wi-Fi settings on your Mac Mini. Let's do it right now. First, click on the Go from the top menu bar, then click the Go to Folder option below. Now here, write this prompt: /library/preferences/system configuration. Don't worry, I will give this prompt in the description. Then hit enter. Now here, find the files related to the network, like com.apple.airport.preferences.plist, com.apple.wifi.message, -tracer.plist, network interfax.plist, preferences.plist. Then right-click on it. After that, click on the Move to Trash. Now go to the trash folder, click on the bin icon from the taskbar, select the files, now click the right mouse button. Click on the Delete Immediately or Empty Trash. Now click on the Delete to confirm. After this, restart your Mac. And that's how you can reset your Wi-Fi settings on Mac Mini M4, M3, M2, or M1. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.